Hi guys, we're in Ennis, Texas, which is Ellis County, and we're at the Heritage Museum, Railroad Heritage Museum, and I'm going to show you around, and it tells you about the Southern Pacific Railroad. Alright, you guys, the population is about 23,000 here, and it had been bought for, well, 647 acres by the railroads for $5 an acre. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on in because we can't bring the doggy, okay? But it's only $3 to get in. Awesome. This is downtown Ennis. 1910. There's the depot right there. This is pretty cool. We're gonna have to make a drive around town because there's some really historic buildings. Just really cool looking. Clorox toothpaste. I don't think so. Conductor hats. Register of way deeds. All this stuff. There's some baseball players. Ginger Rogers actually didn't live here as a child. For a while. Look at these. Cool. Now we have a friend that's really into little model trains, collects them. Texas Pacific, yeah. New York Central. And we live right by the train tracks. We get all kinds of freight trains, Amtrak. Cole Younger, seated on the right. Cool. And then Sam Bass is standing on the left. Wow. Sam Bass, nicknamed the Gentleman Bandit. He worked as cowboy and teamster in Denton County. And he rode four trains. He's killed by the Texas Rangers 20 days later in Round Rock. Oh, he was like scoping out the First National Bank in Ennis. Wow. See the blue, they turn blue. These old bottles would turn blue in the sun. Same with the purple. 1965, Corps of Engineers built Lake Bardwell. Time on the road. So they're saying that the railroads created the 4 time zones. Before that, you went Maine to California, you had to change your watch 20 times. Chicago had 6 time zones by itself. Philadelphia 5. That would be so confusing, y'all. The old lanterns. A bearing is that big? I bet that's heavy. That's heavy. The trains. The rail yard. This is from like the 1940s and 50s. A lot of the rails have been removed, but you can see them from the air. This is huge. And a lot of cotton went out of here. Lots of cotton. Look at that. You know that was their luggage cart there. These old typewriters, old desks. $1942. The Surf Mansion was built for $12,000. 1960. Worth $45,000. It was torn down in '68. Oh, that would have been beautiful. And Clyde Barrow was born 5 minutes from here in Toledo. And the owner of the property tore the house down because he did not want bunch of people roaming around and making the place a museum or anything. Did not want anything to do with Bonnie and Clyde and that whole ordeal. So the doctor that delivered Clyde Barrow said Miss Barrow had several kids that he delivered. He said he don't think he ever got paid for it, and she was a real mean lady. She was hard to deal with and didn't even pay him. The doctor delivered several of Barrow's kids, and Clyde was one of them, just 5 minutes away. Pretty cool. Alrighty guys, just a cute little museum, and it's got some pretty cool stuff and memorabilia. Sergeant Joe Riley Crow right there. Let's go check out the caboose. You have a nice day, sweetie. I love looking at cabooses. You know, and there were on freight trains, they were required to have on the end. It was a law. Look, can't see in. Can't see in. Bummer. No fears. They usually have like cots in there, wash tubs, and they're supposed to have a seat where they can have a view from all directions. Wow, that's massive. But no, they have the windows all blocked. Not fair. Alright guys, give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. We do all kinds of stuff. We share our daily lives with these small towns and the history, and I don't know, it's pretty cool. Alright, talk to you later.